everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It has been quite a bit since I have been on here making a video and being with you all. It has been crazy busy with the holidays and adjusting to 2 kiddos now, but I think we're in the groove of things and we're gonna try to start making some videos again. We have added several members to our channel, so if you're new here, we welcome you. We would love to have you stick around. Those of you that have been here for a while, welcome back. We are here to stay and hopefully can knock out a couple more videos in the coming weeks and months. So I'm bringing you along today. We're gonna make a couple jars of vanilla extract. Very, very simple. You're only gonna need a couple things. You're going to need some vanilla beans. You're gonna need some vodka. It needs to be at least 80 proof vodka, and some sort of jar. I purchased these off of Amazon. I have used these for a couple different things. You can also just use the bottle your vodka is in and just add the beans straight to it, as long as you have your beans, your ounce of beans to your ounce of vodka correct. Okay, for the ratio of your vanilla extract, you're gonna wanna use 8 ounces of vodka per 1 ounce of vanilla beans. When it comes to the brand of alcohol, we had Smirnoff on hand. You'll want to kind of stick to a better quality vodka to in turn produce a better quality of vanilla extract. As far as beans, your 1 ounce of beans, I personally just buy the grade B beans. There are some grade A that you can use. All depends on how much you want to spend and what flavor profile you are looking for when making your extract. For a final touch to the bottle, I cut some labels with my Cricut machine, and you can see here I'm adding those to each bottle. The rest is a waiting game. You'll just want to place these in a dark, cool place for 9 to 12 months. Once that time is up, you can then use your vanilla and just keep adding vodka to the bottle, keeping the beans submerged, and you will have a continuous amount of vanilla extract. And that is all there is to making your own vanilla. I think it would be fun to experiment with a couple of different extracts, but for now, I mainly use vanilla, so that's what I wanted to make sure and get started. I am very excited to use this and have this available for next December when we have our cookie day. As always, if you found this video useful, informational, you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you stick around. And until next time, I hope you all take care, stay healthy, and we will see you in the next video.